Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about reckless public passenger vehicle drivers. Now the Minister of Transport, Darrell Vaz, recently made some statements or gave an update on what the ministry is doing, trying to bring law and order back to the roads. So we're going to go through an article and then we discuss it after. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz says, drivers of public passenger vehicles who commit serious infractions that leave owners in trouble should not be allowed to easily get another PPV vehicle to operate. The driver cannot cause a problem and then leave the owner of the vehicle with the problem and migrate to another PPV vehicle because he should not be allowed to migrate. Technology should allow us to be able to track that very easily to be sure that the situation that obtains now with all those hundreds of tickets discontinues, Mr. Vaz said. Mr. Vaz was responding to queries from transport operators during a retreat hosted by the Transport Authority at the Moon Palace Hotel in Ochorea, St. Anne. Those drivers that used to do what they did without any sanctions because the system was broken. This new system will account for them, and we will deal with them in the way they ought to be dealt with. They have caused chaos. They have wreaked havoc on the roads without any sanctions. The time for sanctions is here, and they will be implemented, the minister said. He noted that while there are some implementation challenges with the new Road Traffic Act, they are being addressed. The minister assured transport operators that issues in the sector will not be fixed overnight, but once we have the plan and the will to do so, we will do it. Meanwhile, Mr. Vaz encouraged transport operators to consider electric vehicles as an option in the future, as they are known to be efficient. You need to start thinking and looking in relation to electric vehicles because they are coming. They are here and they will become more dominating, and the bottom line is that they are more efficient, he said. As part of the retreat, transport operators from across the island met with the minister. Representatives from the Ministry of Transport and Transport Authority personnel. A steering committee was also established during the proceedings. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think about this. Now, law and order on the roads in Jamaica is a serious problem. Very serious problem. Though some of these PPV or the public passenger vehicle drivers create havoc on the roads. They are some of the worst drivers you will find out there. They seem to be always in a hurry. They run red light. We won't get into the specifics because you've seen the videos, and for those who live in Jamaica, you see it every day. So what they're trying to do is very good. So I hope that they're able to implement it and track the drivers of these public passenger vehicles somehow. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this article. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.